start of a new vlog. Queen of Hearts here. If you are new, hey girl, stay a while. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome on back. It's 5:57. I'm at a coffee shop. I edited a reel and a vlog. I'm waiting on the vlog to finish exporting, and my reel is uploading now. What was I gonna say? I need to go to the grocery store, and I should have gone earlier because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. I don't know what I want to cook. But yeah, so I feel like there was something that I had to tell y'all. I can't remember, but I am going to talk to y'all a little bit more when I get to the car. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. It's 1:02 and I am just leaving the gym. Y'all, when I tell you I did not feel like going to the gym today, I didn't. So I got up, I got dressed for, first of all, I went to bed last night because I was trying to get the vlog situated, and I don't even know if y'all watched the last vlog, but if you did, the inserted pictures were so out of place. That is not how I edited it, so I'm super sorry. But that was a 40-minute vlog, and I wasn't going back to put them in the proper place. And I didn't notice it until I clicked on the link this morning. I was like, oh my god, that's so out of place. But it's up because I had a hard time uploading it yesterday, and I was just like, you know, whatever, at least the pictures and the videos are in there. So I apologize about that. But what was I saying? I got up, I got dressed for the gym, I made me some coffee, and I didn't go to the gym straight away. Like, that coffee really had to settle in for me to be able to have enough strength to go to the gym. But it's those workouts that you don't want to do that really do it for you. Like, that was a great workout. Today was leg day. I generally start with a leg day and then do like an arm and back day, leg day again, full body day, and then kind of like alternate like that. But anyways, I have a meeting in about 20 something minutes, so I'm gonna go in here and make my first meal of the day. I bought some pancakes and eggs, and my throat is itching. I'm sorry. I bought some pancakes, eggs, and it's either turkey or chicken sausage from the store yesterday. So I'm gonna make one pancake, some eggs. Oh, I think I got some bell peppers I can cut up. Anyways, I need to hurry up and do that, and then I'm gonna cook some tilapia bites tonight with some rice and Brussels sprouts. So yeah, I also have some filming to do for Temu, and what else? Cook, gym, vlog. I'm doing that now. Yeah, so let me hurry up and get in this house so I can knock some things off of my to-do list. And it's snowing. It started right at 1 o'clock. That's crazy. But it's only supposed to, let me check it again, because yesterday it said it was only supposed to snow from 1 to 3. Ciao. Please, let me refresh this. This thing says it's not even showing that it's snowing now, but it is. It only has 100% at 2 o'clock. Business as usual, babe. I'm so ready for the warm weather. Like, I'm over it being cold. And I like getting dressed in the cold, but we can wrap it up. Anyways, let's go in the house, fix us some brunch, and I will chat with y'all later. Peace. Y'all, I'm back. and I knew it was something that I needed to show y'all. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Give me 1 second. And I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna show y'all. Ready? Okay. That's not even the worst part. Look at that. You know. Here's the bright side. I barely watch TV in the living room. So that's that. But babe, and I really want to blame it on our upstairs neighbors, because they just do the most. They do the most. That's all I want to say, because the more I think about it, I need some bell pepper. The more I think about it, the angrier I get. I know we didn't use that bell pepper. All right, I'm gonna go. See y'all. Hey y'all, it is 5:02. I am about to start cooking. I literally just finished filming for Temu. I literally just finished filming for Temu, one of the reels that I'm supposed to do. I'll show you guys some of the things. Oh no, I gotta record this. That I got. Hold on. I don't. Well, my tripod is over there, and I don't feel like going over there. But they sent me some. They sent me some sunnies. They're black and they have this gold hardware. Aren't they cute? They also sent me some lashes. I got a nail drill. I have this makeup box storage, and it has the LED light with different modes. Cut it off. Okay, and then it has storage here, which can come out, and then more storage down at the bottom. I got some jewelry. I've already put that away, and I need to hurry up and start cooking. I feel like I've been on go all day, bro. I also got this half moon LED light for like when I want to do, I never do my nails, but if I were to want to do my own nails or a pedicure, I can use this for extra lighting. So got that. And then excuse me, and then I also got some makeup brushes here. There's some more items that I've received, like They sent me hella press on nails. What else? Press on nails. Like necklace, jewelry sets. I have this one silver necklace. I love it so much, but it's already put away. I think I wore it in Houston in that vlog. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here, show y'all what I was doing. Just finished filming that. I'm about to call my mama back, cook. I'm also still working. It's snowing on and off. Ciao. Anyways, I'll be back later. Peace. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. It is 11:06. I am leaving my my mammogram appointment. I think I started getting mammograms when I was 30. No. Are y'all shaking? I don't know. Hopefully not. 30 or a little before. I can't remember because my family used to have a history of breast cancer. You see how I did that? You see how I did that? You have to speak those things that be not as though they were, okay? So, yeah, my mom and grandma had it, so I had to start getting tests early. So I'm leaving that appointment. Didn't take long, took about 10 minutes. Really quick and easy. And yeah, it is snowing outside. I don't know if y'all can tell. Let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know. Hopefully y'all can see that. But it's snowing and it's supposed to clear out by noon. I really want something good to eat. I want to cook. I feel like cooking. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, it's supposed to stop snowing right now actually. But yeah, I want to cook. Ooh, I just thought of a lobster grilled cheese. With some tomato soup. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the gym, we're gonna work out, and then we're gonna go home. And I know that that's not cooking, but that's what I just thought about, and it sounds really good. We're gonna go home. I mean, yeah, we're gonna go to the gym, then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, and we're gonna make that. So, let's do it. Peace. Hey, y'all. It's me again. It is 3:43. Thursday. I am about to take a shower, so I did come home and make the lobster grilled cheese. It was the best thing ever. But yeah, I'm about to take a shower. I just finished taking out the trash, and I am actually about to also make a Target list of things that I need, which happen to be makeup wipes, tissue. I'm for real going to Whole Foods tomorrow to get that rose water. I need booty wipes. Oh, and I also need detergent. Let me put that on there. Detergent, tissue, makeup wipes, booty wipes, and then I'll go to Whole Foods for the rose water. So I'm actually thinking about doing a pickup order to keep me from going in there and looking around, because I do not need to spend money. Yeah, I have some things that are due and I need to make sure they're, what the world? I need to make sure that those are taken care of. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and close out the vlog because I'm gonna start another one either tonight or tomorrow. And yeah, I want to try to have this up preferably tomorrow morning, Friday morning. We'll see. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.